can drive, Jack. Woo! Going for a ride. Good driving, Jack. Hi, Cole. Cole's not so sure. Keep going, keep driving. Now you're gonna go up onto this driveway and turn around. Keep going, don't turn yet, don't turn yet. Okay, now turn. Too late. You missed it. Are you gonna back it up now? Remember, you push it all the way down. Turn the wheel, Jack. That's it. Okay. There you go, now forward. Careful, you got it on fast. Maybe you want it in the middle? There you go. Hi, Cole.
And you need to push up the hill for us.
Okay.